A few months back, we saw the release of Meta Quest Pro, and now they're already up for releasing their next generation of VR headset, Meta Quest 3, which is expected to show up this fall. According to Meta this time, this one will have more gaming potential compared to its previous generation. So how great can it perform against the ultimate PlayStation VR 2? Let's find out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than Ten Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.ten.studio.
Starting with the design of Meta Quest 3, they made it much slimmer and the entire VR has been redesigned. According to them, this upcoming VR is 40% slimmer compared to its predecessor, making it more comfortable to wear. Quest 3 is going to be supercharged by a next-generation Snapdragon chipset featuring double processing power, increasing the graphical performance and incredibly smooth details in games. What's even more impressive, it offers a high-fidelity color pass-through, machine learning, and spatial understanding, allowing you to interact with virtual content and the physical world simultaneously. So blending in gaming and the physical world interaction on this VR is surely going to be a superb experience. Although no further information about the display is available, they did mention it is going to be pancake optics featuring higher resolution compared to any other VR Meta has introduced before. In comparison, the PlayStation VR 2 headset is a seamless match for the elegant design of the PS5 console. Unlike the Meta Quest 3, this one is purely meant for gaming, but it does come with a power button and a function button that allows for effortless toggling between the virtual reality environment and the real world. The lenses here are amazing, equipped with stunning OLED displays featuring 2000 by 2040 resolution and 120 Hz of refresh rate. On top of that, the 6-axis motion sensing system and IR proximity sensors are added overall splendid experience, while the integrated cameras provide accurate tracking for both the headset and controllers, which is quite nice. So it seems like Meta Quest 3 is definitely going to be the next talk of the town, as it features some of the finest mixed reality features. But for a top-tier gaming experience, it would take a lot for Quest 3 to beat PlayStation's VR 2. Meta surprisingly kept the price range very affordable, keeping it at $500, while the PlayStation VR 2 costs slightly higher at $550 US. So Quest 3 is definitely going to be the most valued in terms of affordability. Apart from that, if you want the best gaming experience in VR, then PSVR 2 definitely is a great one to look forward to. So that was all about today's comparison between Meta Quest 3 versus PlayStation VR 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.